Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to use YouTube Studio in your mobile phone. So first of all, like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. So let's move to our video. So you have to download YouTube Studio from your apps and app store. Anything you want, you can on your phone or desktop. After installing, here you can see on the top bar there is an option sign up. Here you have to sign up the mail of your channel connected with you want to see analytics or anything of your video of YouTube Studio. So here I'm logging my account of my channel. Here after that, here you can see on this studio you can see all your content, all your videos. Here analytics of these videos, time watch time of these videos, subscriber of these video, anything, all the data about your videos you can see in YT Studio. Hope so you enjoying this video. Please subscribe the channel. Here I am telling you everything about YT Studio, how you can see your estimated revenue, how you can see your views, how you can see your watch time per hours in 60 minutes, where your video is watched. Or you can also write community from here. You can also upload videos from YT Studio. You can also see your earnings from here. Y2 Studio is very easy to use if you understand all the things basic needs. Here you can community, you can also upload your videos from here Y2 Studio instead of going to YouTube channel. Here there's a lot of ways you can earn from YouTube channels, a lot of instructions and all that, your subscriber count, your watch hour count. You can also see anything, or you can also manage your videos from YT Studio, delete any videos, edit any videos, write description, add tags, anything from this. So hope so you can understand. Here you can see notification of your weekly revenue of like how your channel is going last week, any notification, subscriber notification, views notification. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video. See you soon.